Number five, conclusion. Did your performance perform as you expected it to? Why or why not? Our performance did not perform as we expected it to. The egg cracked, and we thought that the egg would have enough space in between the egg in the ground, so the egg wouldn't crack, but it cracked on impact. What would you say the strengths and weaknesses of your design were? The strengths would be, I think, having four layers of straws in between that and the egg in the ground because this would soften the impact. And the weakness of our design was we didn't really think about how much space we really needed in between the egg and the ground. So if we would have had more space in between the egg and the bottom of the device, the impact would have been it would have been absorbed more by the device and the momentum wouldn't have reached the egg and it would have just kept bouncing and the egg wouldn't have cracked. If you had to do it over again, what would you do differently? We would do differently. We would create more space in between the egg and the bottom of the device so that the momentum wouldn't hit the egg and it wouldn't crack. Overall, what did you think of the egg drop challenge? I actually thought it was kind of fun because in an hour we got to create something that was actually like worth learning. And I mean, it was challenging, yes, but I think in this amount of time that we did it, we actually had a good experience and we did the best we could do. Was it worthwhile learning experience? Why or why not? It was a worthwhile learning experience because it taught us a lot about momentum and like impulse and just how stuff works when it hits the ground and like yeah.